What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Gala, which is slowly starting to recover. As you can see guys, after yesterday's drop, it dropped about 10%, but right now it is up just about half a percentage. However, it is still below the 5 cents target, currently trading at 0.04571. So when is its next potential pump? When is it gonna go back up in value? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at should you buy it right now, should you wait for it to drop further, should you sell it, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and overall in 2022. How high can it go, and especially the 20 cents target, can it hit that by the end of January, giving it about a good 10-11 days? Can it pump to about 20 cents? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about half a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we have Gala, which has maintained its value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 0% guys. I haven't seen that on Coinbase on the daily chart, especially 0%, which is absolutely crazy. Over the last hour, 0.25% down. Over the week, 10% up, even though it has taken quite a dip yesterday. And over the month, a massive 140%. So can you guys see the cycle here? It pumps up, drops, pumps up, drops, pumps up. Right now it has dropped, so very likely that we're going to see a pump very soon guys, but it's a matter of time. When are we going to see it, and is also how high can it go as well. So we got the trading volume, which has gone down by a massive 47% in the last 24 hours, making it just below $250 million in trading, which is a major drop. However, the only reason why not many people are trading it right now is they're waiting for it to pump up in value before selling it, or even buying it, because obviously it hasn't dropped that much to be selling it. So buying it right now, if it did go for a major drop, then yes, it makes sense to buy the dip, but the dip wasn't that much, so not many people are selling it and not many people are buying it, hence why the trading volume has gone down by a massive 47%. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And at the top, we've got the usual SMA indicator giving us the average value of Gala, which is 0.03565. However, it is trading at much higher value here in green at 0.04595, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? The blue and the orange line are going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting it to more or less be hitting the 5 cents target. And again, it is going to be a slow and steady increase, and yes, we are also going to see red candlesticks in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, so we should be trading above the 5 cents target in the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? I'm expecting bullish directions, more increases in value, and yes guys, we do have the blue and the orange line heading towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish, meaning once again an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next week or so. So by mid next week, we should be trading around the 6 to 7 cents target, and again, that again does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days, green days, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, which is what we want to see and what I did expect as well. Since it started pumping 2 weeks ago, I knew, you know what, this crypto is going to do quite well for January. But again, it depends on any news that come across, any collaborations that they've got going on, especially with the collaboration with The Rock and so on, that had a major impact on the value of Gala, but hopefully we can carry on this way for the rest of the year as well. Moving on to the daily chart, as you can see here, we've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, guys. Quite an interesting one here. So it's looking quite negative, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, guys, yes, we do have two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bearish and one's looking bullish. So guys, an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect from Gala over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid to late March 2023. It should be trading at its current price range. However, that is not what I'm expecting. What I am expecting is for it to pump up in value much higher than what it's worth at the moment. Above the 10 cents target is where I'm expecting Gala to be trading at by mid-March, and above the 10 cents target by late March. I'm expecting major increases from this crypto. Is going to be minimal, but obviously when it's minimal increases on a weekly basis, it does add up. And yeah, a 10 cents target is what I'm aiming for early to mid March, and then above the 10 cents target by late March is where I'm expecting Gala to be trading at. But of course, if there are any changes to that, or if there's a major crypto bull run or a price pump or even a crash, that's going to have a either positive or negative impact on the value of Gala. But as I keep mentioning, anything like that, guys, that I can predict, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, which I haven't drawn yet. So let's draw the Fibonacci scale right now. And as you guys can see, we will probably still be in the red zone 100% because we haven't moved that much value wise. And as you guys can see, we've got a long way to head into the green zone, but it is possible. Again, I'm expecting us to head into the green zone by mid-year this year is where I'm expecting us to hit the resistance target, and potentially in the second half of the year we should comfortably be trading in the green zone here and potentially heading into the dark green zone towards the end of the year is what I'm expecting. But again, it all depends on the market conditions. But yeah, by the end of January, I'm happy as long as the crypto trades around the 9 to 10 cents target. We should be expecting by the end of January, and 20 cents as I mentioned by mid-year, guys, because obviously we have to take into consideration the drops and the dips that take place. Don't get me wrong, it can hit 20 cents by the end of this month even if it does go for a major bull run, but that's not the point. The point is if for it to hit 20 cents and stay at 20 cents or above is what I'm talking about. This crypto can literally go for any crypto can go for 100-200% increase in a space of 3-4 hours and then drop back down to its original value about 40-50% down. That doesn't count. We want it to go up and stay there, so we want a slow and steady increase in value. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. Comment down below your end of year targets for this crypto. Are you guys holding? Are you guys selling? Or are you guys just avoiding this crypto? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not, guys? And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.